Hey there, Me Band friends. I am back. I had a user ask a question. What happens if the same WhatsApp contact sends you more than one message? How many can you see on your Me Band? Didn't have a clue, so hey, let's set something up and see if we can figure it out. So here's our test. You can see there's the iPhone. This is my Me Band 3. I've got my PC set up to one account, and I'm just going to send a quick message through WhatsApp. And you can see that I got the notification up there, and I got the notification here. I'm going to send another one, so I'm going to just set this down here for a second. And let's see if we can balance it. Get them both in. Alright, let's type another message. It's nice because they come pretty quick, and you can see it. So there it shows the second message. I'm just going to send a silly message about how great my Saturday is. Alright, so we can see that it shows all three messages. Let's see if we can go back and check them all out. Alright, so the user asked if we'd be able to see all those notifications. Let's check it out. Let's get to the notifications. There they are. There are 4 of them. And yeah, I can read all 3 of them. And the extra one when I was first testing it. So, it is proven. If you get several WhatsApp messages from one user, you will be able to read them all. Hey friends, thanks for watching. If you found that useful, please hammer that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button. Got a question, comment, or a suggestion for the next video? Add it down below. Click that notifications bell if you want to be the first to know when I make a new video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.